Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use table of content in your WordPress website. So here you can see that's the normal blog and it's too long. So I'm going to use here table of content. So here you can see that's your blog and that's your table of content. So people can see here some points, and if they are interested in the second point or third point and fourth point, they can redirect to the 4 point directly. They don't need to scroll the whole blog. So first you need to go to their website and we are going to install here one plugin add new, and this plugin name is table of content. So that's the plugin is the table of content. Just click on install now, click on activate. Now go to the setting and here you will see table of content. Just click on this and now we have to check auto insert in page and post both, right? And now you can see there are a lot of settings here. So we are going to use border color is something red, simple, and you can change this border color also. So if I am going to use the blue, and title color is something this one, orange, fine, and click on save changes. Now go to your post first, okay, and open any post like this one. If I'm going to see this post, click on view, and here you can see there is no table of content right now. Now I'm going to the post and click on edit. Now we have to define our heading, right? So how we define? So just if that one is your heading, so select this and you have to define paragraph 2 at heading 2, it's something, and this one is your subheading of this one heading. So you have to define this one to h3, and this one is also subheading of this main heading. So I'm going to define 3. But that one is the independent main heading, so I'm going to define it to h2. You can define h1 also, no problem with that. And this one is also dependent heading, so I'm going to define it as h2. And this one is also h2, and but there is some more heading, so I'm going to define this to h3 under this h3 like this, and this one is to h3. Fine. Now click on update. You can define your whole these heading like this heading in your whole blog. If you already have defined these heading and you already have this type thing, so you don't need to do anything. Your post there, in your post you will see the table of content. Now you can see that's blog and click on refresh. And now here you can see that's the blog, and here we have defined already h2 and that one is h3, h2, and these are h3. You can define subheading of this also. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please to subscribe my channel and like my video, and please share this. Thank you.